In front of me is Realme 16 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. First, launch settings and scroll to click on this section called security and privacy. Now in it, you need to scroll again and this time choose device unlock. Click on face and fingerprint unlock section under screen lock. Be absolutely sure that you have screen lock on, because without it you won't be able to continue. So first screen lock, then face and fingerprint unlock. Now, after tapping on it, you need to choose face on the left and enter set screen lock after hitting agree in statement of use pop-up. Over here. Now tap on add now, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Select done. Make sure that this switcher next to screen unlock is blue, because without it you won't be able to use face recognition in order to unlock your smartphone and then manage all of those other options however you wish. You can also tap add face if you want to add another one. For example, if you are wearing glasses, add one with and the other one without them. Without further ado, let's check it out. When I switch off my screen, turn it back on and look at it, I can start face unlock. It's working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!